I'm at the airport in Bangkok and they have a Dairy Queen here. They have this mango blizzard that looks awesome, so I'm gonna give that one a try. Look at that. It's not huge, and I paid a little extra for the toppings on it. There's like some rice or something. It's 120 something baht, about $4. Looks good. Let's try it out. Let's try this out. It's really, it's really damn good. Like creamy. I don't know if you really need all the rice and stuff on it, or the boba balls or whatever they are. But you know, it's you're in Thailand. You have to put rice and just about everything. But yeah, very good, delicious. Highly recommend.